Did you know here at Precise Chiropractic in Troy that we can measure your nerve function with this graph of colors? And this is how we also track people's progress throughout their phases of care. So to explain the colors and how they work, this is a scan, and what it does, it tests the function of your nerves that run along your spine. So we do this here after we do the first, before we do the first adjustments, we can get a baseline on a patient, and then after a series of adjustments, we track it again by looking at this scan again, seeing how the nerves are functioning on the inside. So now the colors mean different things in our scan. So what we look for is a white scan. So we want to see all white bars on each side of the spine. That tells us the nerves are functioning normally. Now if we have a green, that tells us that it's one standard deviation from normal, or one step away from normal, so a mild issue. When we get into our blues, we have more of a moderate issue. Reds get into your severes, and then black is your most severe. So you can see with this patient right here, we have a lot of issues with the neck. She had a lot of headaches, a lot of neck issues when she first started. Now, after her first series of adjustments, we retracked her scan, and this is what we got after her first reevaluation. So we did a series of care, we tracked her reeval, and we saw how we went from reds and blacks that were in her neck. We had now blues and greens. So her headaches were starting to disappear. We saw that the nerves were functioning better in her spine. And then by the time we got to the next part of her phase of care, now the blue was gone, and now we're into the green. So to kind of put that side by side here, you can see this is where she ended up after her completing her first couple phases of care from where she started. So you can see how we can make a big change in that nerve system with how we make those adjustments. So if you know somebody that's been suffering with headaches or neck pain or back pain, this is how we can fix people with those issues, and how we can also help to help those issues out, and how we can measure objectively the progress that the patient's been experiencing. So if you know somebody suffering those issues, give us a call or click the link below.